Kit and Kat. Kit's pajamas. Today was a big day for Kit and Kat. They were going to sleep at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Kit and Kat got out their stuff. Soon they were ready. "Do you have everything?" asked Grandma. "Yes," said Kit. "Yes," said Kat. So off they went. Kit and Kat had fun. Grandpa gave the best rides. Grandma read the best stories. Soon it was time for bed. Kat put on her pajamas, but Kit could not find his. "I left them at home," said Kit, and she began to cry. "Don't cry," said Grandpa. "Look." "Oh, Grandpa," said Kit, "your pajama top." "You look like a little grandpa," said Kit. Then they both went to sleep. Kat's good idea. One day, Kit and Kat got a big surprise from Mom and Dad. Two bikes! Kat got a red bike. Kit got a blue bike. "Let's race," said Kat. She got on the red bike. Off she went. "I win," said Kat. Kit got on the blue bike, but he did not move. "I am too little," he said. "My feet do not reach the pedals." Kat had an idea. She got two blocks. Kat put the blocks on the pedals. "Your feet will reach now," said Kat. Then Kit got on his bike. His feet did reach. Off he went. "I win," said Kit to Kat. "Yay!" Kit, Kat, and the bully. Kit and Kat were having fun. They were playing with blocks. Then Tom came over. Tom was no fun. What did Tom do? He kicked the blocks. "Blocks are for babies," said Tom. Then Tom said, "Let's go on the seesaw. The seesaw is fun." But the seesaw was no fun. Not with Tom. "Now I want to ride in your car," said Tom. "But you are too big," said Kat. "No, I'm not," said Tom. Tom got in. He was too big. He got stuck. "Help!" cried Tom. "Help! Help!" "Say the magic word," said Kat. "Please," said Tom. But that was not enough. "Pretty please," said Tom. But that was not enough. "Pretty please with sugar on top," said Tom. That was enough. Kit and Kat pulled Tom out of the car. And Tom did not act like a bully for the rest of the day. The end.